Imagine reliving your memories inside a video so vivid, it feels like you're in a time travel sci-fi. You can pause, rewind, and even slow down every moment to discover every detail you may have missed the first time. Fit360 allows you to do just that, capturing your memories in a truly immersive fashion in a way you've never experienced. Hey Kickstarter, we're Linkfloat. Although the VR industry is burgeoning, conventional 360 cameras didn't provide the simplicity and accessibility down to a personal level to be widely accepted by users like you and I. Fit360 addresses those problems for anyone to be able to capture their 360 experience in the simplest way possible. Simply wear it and record to capture your world in 360.
It had to fit everyone, aesthetically and physically. After creating several mock-ups in different sizes and printing them on over 500 people globally to create general neck guides, we believe that we have made a product that is safe to say that Fit360 is designed to fit everybody. We wanted to bring a new and innovative 360 video capturing experience. Our biggest challenge was to make it comfortable, unobtrusive, slim and light for everyone. We're bringing a design that's beautiful, intuitive, yet offers a totally new degree of flexibility to your recording experience.
We set out to build a company that will revolutionize the way we interact with the past. We have assembled a team to solve one of the most difficult engineering challenges in wearable optical technology. And finally, we are ready to bring Fit360 to the world. Join us and help shape the future of wearable 360 cameras.
Join us! Woo!
We all have our own journey and choose our own path, each with a unique story to share. Capture all your adventures and more with KooCam. KooCam is the revolutionary 3D stereo and 360-degree camera to unleash the way you shoot. KooCam is the first camera in the world equipped with a state-of-the-art rotatable 3-lens camera, allowing KooCam to not only record 360-degree 4K videos, but also 3D stereo videos. KooCam comes equipped with shake-free technology, so your picture is always smooth. And its unique switchable structure allows you to effortlessly change modes to easily adapt to whatever the day brings. For every exploration, destination, or experience you share, KooCam will capture all your most memorable moments, even at 120 frames per second for amazing effects. Shoot freely with KooCam. No matter how you position the camera, KooCam will capture it. With 3D stereo lenses and the groundbreaking depth-based technology, you can even refocus and reframe the photos after you've shot them. Our editing app allows you to use incredible technology to not only discover the best shot, but enhance them to the next level. Live stream your 360-degree panoramic or your 180 degrees of 3D space anytime, anywhere. Imagine an easy and simple way to record, edit, and share all your 360-degree and 3D moments, all in one place. KooCam uses the most cutting-edge imaging technology. We pack incredible professional features into a small camera, giving you a powerful and revolutionary new way of thinking. Explore the possibilities with KooCam, the next generation of imaging.
Everybody ready for a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bonanza!
Meet